In this session, we are going to look at how to calculate source of hire. We have our employee ID, the names of employees, the departments, the job opening dates, the application date, the hire date, and the source of hire. And here you could realize that if your job application, you actually posted them on various platforms such as LinkedIn, referral, agency, or any other platform. But with this data, we realized that the platform that was used in major of their recruitment was agency through agency, uh, Indeed platform, LinkedIn platform, and also from referrals from employees or any other avenues. So we are going to calculate our source of hire to determine the effectiveness of each of these platforms. To calculate for the total number of hires from LinkedIn, we are going to use the LinkedIn, the count if function. So you press your equal sign, then your count if, then you press Control space bar to select the entire column of the source table. Then you indicate the criteria you want to count. In this case, we are looking at our total employees from LinkedIn. So your inverted columns, LinkedIn, then you close your brackets. Our total source of hire from LinkedIn is 16 candidates. Then let's continue to calculate that of agency. We are going to use the same formula, account if function in Excel. Agency, then you close your brackets. A total number of candidates from agencies are 20. Then let's calculate for that of referrals. Then control space bar to select the entire column. Then you indicate your criteria. Referral, referral candidates are 19. Let's do that of Indeed. Equal to sign. Then our count if function. Control space bar to select the entire column. You indicate your criteria. Our total number of candidates from Indeed is 15. So from here, we can quickly review which of the platforms that we are actually having great number of candidates. So we have here comparatively LinkedIn to be 16 candidates, agency 20, referral 19, Indeed 15. So most of our candidates are through the agencies that we have been working with, then followed by the referrals. So here, briefly, this is how to calculate your source of hire in HR. We are going to look at how to calculate the employee net promoter score in our next session.